Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks during pre-market and after hours on the Thinkorswim platform. Most accounts should have the ability to do this once you've changed the settings that I'll show you today. One thing to note is that before you have applied these settings, if you try to place an order pre-market or after hours, your orders won't get filled. Also, this will not work with paper trading accounts. So to begin with, you will want to open your active trader window here by clicking this button. Then go to the gear icon that is on the top right hand side of the screen here and click this button. This will open a small pop-up screen, and here you want to come across to the left hand side where it has available items. Then scroll down and find the letters TIF. Click this, go to add items, then click the green OK button. Now, when you go back to the active trader section up here, you'll notice that it says TIF day. Now, if you want to trade pre-market and after hours, you'll need to click the button where it says TIF day and then change the settings to GTC EXT. This stands for Good Till Cancelled Extended Hours Trading, and this will give you the ability to trade pre-market and after hours. Now, one thing to note is that any trades that are made during pre-market or after hours will need to be placed using a limit order. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Also, please consider subscribing and hit the like button, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm.